Everyone tells you the same thing to scale: hire a VA. They're wrong. The truth: a human assistant is often the biggest bottleneck in your business. Miscommunications, time zone delays, human error. You didn't start a business to spend your day managing people. I've spent the last year obsessing over the zero-employee model. I've replaced entire operational roles with lean, AI-driven workflows that don't take lunch breaks, don't miss deadlines, and never make typos. Today, I'm handing you the blueprint. 5 specific AI automations using tools like Make and Zapier that do the work of a full-time VA for a fraction of the cost. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop managing people and start managing systems. Let's dive in. You were told that outsourcing is the only way to scale. Hire a VA. Delegate the boring stuff. Get your time back. But here's what the gurus don't tell you. Managing a human is a full-time job in itself. You spend more time writing instructions than it would take to just do the task yourself. Then, the human element kicks in. Missed deadlines, typos in high-ticket client emails, and the dreaded phrase, "I thought you meant." Suddenly, you're not a CEO. You're a babysitter. You're paying someone to be a bottleneck in your own business. Every time you scale, you add more complexity, more people, more communication gaps. It's a fragile system. If your VA gets sick or quits, your operations freeze. You didn't build a scalable business. You built a dependency. The truth is, for 90% of administrative tasks, a human is actually the slowest part of the equation. While you're waiting for a response from a different time zone, your competitors are executing in milliseconds. It's time to stop hiring for capacity and start building for efficiency. Stop hiring people to fix broken systems. That's the biggest mistake solopreneurs make. You don't need more headcount. You need better architecture. Welcome to the zero-employee business, a model where your operations are handled by a stack of AI agents that don't take breaks, don't misinterpret instructions, and cost a fraction of a salary. Let's build your autonomous engine. Number 1, lead qualification and triage. Most VAs spend hours manually filtering leads. It's slow. It's prone to error. Instead, use Make.com to connect your lead form to Claude AI. Claude analyzes the lead's data against your ideal customer profile in real time. If they're a fit, it drafts a personalized outreach email and books them into your calendar. If not, it sends a polite, not a fit response. Your pipeline stays clean. Your response time drops to seconds. Number 2, the content multiplier. Stop paying someone to repurpose your content. It's a waste. Set up a workflow where one YouTube URL triggers a chain. Use an AI transcription tool. Feed that text into ChatGPT with a custom brand voice prompt and automatically generate 5 tweets, 2 LinkedIn posts, and a newsletter draft. 1 piece of content. Total platform dominance. 0 manual typing. Number 3, the autonomous support desk. Your VA likely spends 40% of their day answering the same 5 questions. Stop it. Deploy an AI knowledge base. Feed it your docs, your FAQs, and your past emails. Now the AI handles 90% of the noise. You only step in for the high-ticket, high-emotion problems. That's where your value is, not in resetting passwords. Number 4, the meeting-to-action loop. The gap between a meeting ending and a task starting is where businesses die. Automate the loop. Use an AI note-taker to capture the audio. Zapier sends that transcript to ChatGPT to extract a bulleted list of action items. Those items are then automatically created as tasks in your project management tool. No more "I forgot to do that." The system remembers for you. Number 5, the CRM ghostwriter. Data entry is is soul-crushing work. And VAs hate it, which means they mess it up. Build a trigger. When a deal moves to closed in your CRM, AI automatically generates a personalized welcome kit, sends the first invoice, and schedules the onboarding call. It's seamless. It's invisible. And it's perfect every single time. Now, you can try to build these workflows manually, but that's a waste of your time. I use Make.com and Zapier to glue everything together. These are the engines behind the zero-employee model. Think about the math. A VA costs thousands a month and requires constant management. This system costs a fraction of that, runs 24/7, and has zero human error. By switching to this stack, I've cut my operational overhead by 80% and reclaimed 20 hours of my week. You don't need a bigger team. You need a better system. If you're ready to stop babysitting people and start scaling, click the links in the description for Make and Zapier. Get your account set up and build your first automation today.